In a bustling city lived a young boy named Leo. He came from a humble family and knew the value of every single penny. One sunny afternoon, while walking home from school, his eyes caught a glimpse of something on the pavement. It was a thick brown leather wallet. Leo's heart pounded as he picked it up. Opening it, he saw it was stuffed with cash, far more money than he had ever seen in his life. For a moment, he imagined all the things he could buy: a new bike, video games, treats for his family. It was a powerful temptation. But then, he thought about the person who had lost it. How worried they must be. He remembered his parents' words: "Honesty is the most valuable thing you can own, Leo. It costs nothing, but is worth everything." He looked inside the wallet again and found a driver's license with an address. His mind was made up. He walked for nearly an hour, following the address, until he reached a large, beautiful house. With a nervous hand, he rang the doorbell. An elderly man with kind eyes answered the door. Leo held out the wallet and said, "Sir, I think you might have lost this." The man's face lit up with relief and surprise. He checked the wallet and saw that everything was still there. He was incredibly grateful and offered Leo a large cash reward, but Leo politely refused. He said, "Doing the right thing is its own reward." The man, whose name was Mr. Harrison, was deeply moved by Leo's integrity. He was a wealthy businessman who had been looking for someone trustworthy for a special program. He saw a spark in Leo that was rare and precious. Instead of a simple reward, Mr. Harrison offered Leo a full scholarship to a prestigious school, mentoring him and guiding his education. Leo's single act of honesty didn't just return a lost wallet. It opened a door to a future he had only dreamed of. Leo learned that day that true wealth isn't about the money in your pocket, but the character in your heart. Honesty doesn't just give you peace of mind. Sometimes it brings you opportunities far greater than you could ever imagine. What would you have done? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this story, be sure to check out our playlist for more inspiring tales. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. See you next time.